With macOS Ventura and an iPhone, you can transform your webcam from looking like this to this, and that's because macOS Ventura allows you to seamlessly use your iPhone camera as a webcam, and as you can see, the jump in quality is astonishing. It doesn't matter if you have a 1080p webcam, the iPhone main camera will look better. Now, to use your iPhone main camera as your webcam, the setup process is pretty simple. All you have to do is update your MacBook to Ventura by clicking on the Apple menu at the upper left corner of your screen, click on System Preference and click on Software Update. Now, not all Apple MacBooks can be updated to Ventura, and for a list of laptops that can be updated, you can see this list over here. Now, to conveniently use your iPhone camera as your webcam, you're going to need this. This is an iPhone mount that is compatible with iPhones that have MagSafe. It costs $15 and all you have to do is attach it to the back of your iPhone and now you can mount it on your MacBook. To be able to use your iPhone main camera as your webcam, you're going to need to turn on the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your iPhone. Also make sure that you're signed in on the same Apple ID on your iPhone and your MacBook. And the last thing you will need to check on your iPhone is if handoff and continuity is turned on. To do this, you will need to go to the settings, click on General, click on AirPlay and handoff, and if it isn't on, please turn it on. Now that the setup process is done, let's move on to the MacBook. You can use any application that uses the webcam. You can use FaceTime, Zoom. In this video, I'm going to use Zoom meetings because a lot of people use it a lot. Now, all you need to do is click on the arrow, select your iPhone, and that's it. Check out the quality. Not only that the quality has drastically improved, you can also add effects. And to do this, click on the control center at the top right corner of your screen. You're going to see video effects, click on it, and the first on the list is center stage. What it does is it switches to the ultra wide camera on your iPhone and the camera will follow you as you move around. It's going to keep you in the center of the screen no matter where you move. But the negative is the quality of the footage is not as high as using the main camera. Now moving to the next effect, which is portrait, and what it does is it blurs out the background as you can see. Studio Light dims the background and makes you a bit brighter. Now moving on to my favorite video effect, which is Dex View. What that does is it shows you a top-down view of what is in front of you without moving your iPhone. This video effect is super useful if you're trying to draw or illustrate something to your audience. And in Dex View, the main camera and the ultra wide camera are activated at the same time, so your face and what is in front of you can be seen at the same time. Now to share Dex View on Zoom, go to Share Screen and select the Dex View window. So that's how to use your iPhone main camera as a webcam to get the best video quality. I hope you guys found this video to be useful. Let me know what you guys think about this feature in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and I will see you guys with more videos like this. Valor Reviews, signing out.